know it's really tempting, but if you're a small business, please stop boosting your posts. You're just handing cash to Mark Zuckerberg. It is not worth it. It is not a good investment. It is not going to pay off for you. Why is boosting your post a bad idea? Well, Facebook wants to get your post in front of as many people as it can so that it can show you how much visibility you got, but it's being indiscriminate about who it's putting those in front of. They're not your ideal target customers. They're not your ideal target market. They're not your audience. They're not going to buy from you. They're not going to become leads. And if they are, they're worthless. So what should you do instead? If you have more time available than money, go to business.facebook.com, create an ad account, set up your profile, put a card on file, create campaigns. You're going to want to define your exact target audience. You're going to want to set an objective of either sales or leads. That's the best way to go about it if you're going to do it yourself. The next best option is to find a DIY tool that will simplify the process for you, because Facebook's platform is very complex. But the very best option is to hire someone who knows what they're doing. They can set up tracking. They can make sure all of the pixels are in place, that your API is set up. They're going to make sure that your audiences are properly selected. They're going to make sure you have effective ads. They're going to make sure your objectives are set properly, that you have the right daily budgets. Someone who knows what they're doing will cost more in the short term, but cost less in the long term, because you'll stop wasting money handing it to Mark Zuckerberg. I hope that helps. Do you have any questions? Drop them in the comments down below. Otherwise, have an awesome day.